Hi everybody, it's Jerry from the Timeshare Store, and I've got a Deluxe Studio here at the Vero Beach Resort that I'm about to show you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Alright, so we're going to walk in, take a look here, and as we do, you see that we have a nice queen-size pull-out sofa, and you got a little window to take a look of what's going on outside. Not much doing on the outside though, it's pretty quiet out there, but as we look around, you get a good idea of the layout. So some of these rooms have two queen-size beds. This one has a pull-out sofa and a queen-size bed, a small little dining area, then also a little bit of a little storage and place where you can put your socks and underwear and so forth. Not too much storage. A small little TV. But who cares? You're going to be at the beach, you're going to be at the pool, you're going to go play putt-putt, you're going to do some of the fun stuff that this resort has to offer. Maybe take a bike ride on the jungle trail. Over here you can see a small kitchenette, so you've got a microwave, ice machine, or machine maker, little refrigerator, and we're going to venture on into the old bathroom. Now I believe this is a handicap accessible room, so a little bit different setup than some of the others. So, hey everybody. And then we look over here, you've got the toilet, and then there's the shower and the bathtub, and your towels and dispensers and all sorts of stuff. So it makes me think that this room is a handicap accessible due to the bars on the bathtub, and also that extra bed. That's a couch pull-out. Usually, again, there's two queen-size beds in these rooms. So here's a nice look at the Deluxe Studio at Vero Beach Resort. So, a little small kitchen table for some snacks. You've got your own balcony as well, which is very, very nice. Actually, from this balcony, I don't know if it's going to come across in the video, but you can see the ocean, which is fantastic. So it is over there, and that's a 3-bedroom beach cottage. That's where you have your own villa all to yourself. 3 bedrooms, sleeps 12. But again, this is a studio in one of the main buildings. Nice little chairs to relax, hang out, have a glass of wine, or just hang out with one of your kids, talk about the day and the adventures that you're going to have tomorrow. But here we go. The Deluxe Studio accommodations.